rate of change of momentum. Okay, when a force is applied on a moving body, its velocity changes. Due to change in velocity of the body, its momentum also changes. Listen, when a force is applied on a body, if a body is moving, when you apply some force, its velocity changes. Okay, due to change in velocity, suppose a body was moving in 5 meter per second. If you just uh, strike that body, its velocity will either decrease or increase. So while the body is increasing, while the velocity of the body is increasing or decreasing, its momentum will also change, because momentum is mass into velocity. Okay, let a force F be applied on the body of mass m for time t. Okay, for a given interval of time, a force is applied, due to which its velocity changes from u to v. Okay, so while a body is there, okay, a body, suppose 5 kg. So initially you apply one force to make it in motion. So if you apply 5 Newton force, okay, so what you will get, 5 kg per Newton. Okay, the speed, because mass into velocity, then see, this is mass, this is force. Then suppose uh, it starts moving from this point to this point. Okay, suppose the body is traveling in 2 meter per second. So when you apply 5 Newton force, suddenly this 2 meter changes to 4 meter. So here velocity is 4 meter per second. So see, velocity is increasing while you apply force, 5 Newton force. So at this point velocity is 4 meter per second, at this point velocity is 2 meter per second. Okay, so initial momentum is mass into initial velocity, 5 into 2. Final momentum will be 5 into 4, that is 20. So change in momentum will be mv minus mu. So m will be mass is same, mass is not changing. Okay, velocity is only changing. So you take 5 outside, v minus u, v is final velocity is 4, initial is 2. 5 into 4 minus 2 is 5 into 2, that is 10. So it is change in momentum, but the rate of change in momentum means what? Rate of change of momentum is mass into acceleration. Okay, so how you will find mass into acceleration? Change in momentum by time. Okay, change in momentum, earlier you have find by t you do. Acceleration is change in velocity by time. Acceleration is change in velocity by time. So you take out mass from this formula, only v minus u by t you will get. So v minus u by t is what? Acceleration only. So m into a, v minus, so see, m, this whole thing is a. Okay, this whole thing is a. So m into a, see, change in velocity, v minus u by t. So change in momentum will be m into a, mass into acceleration. Okay, this relation holds true when mass of body remains constant. This is only when mass of the body will remain constant. But what happens if mass of the body is changing? So next we'll read.